we offer this exam, complimentary exam, so that we can take a look at the bone and take that x-ray to see exactly what you have. Mini implants require less bone, less space. It's less painful because it's a simpler procedure in a way. But like I said, it's one of those things. You come on in, we'll take a look and see exactly what you got, and we can tell you I can tell you, exactly if you have enough bone or if the bone is good to place a dental mini implant. But it's a wonderful procedure because we get years and years. Oh, dentist does not enough room to put an implant, or he doesn't think there's enough bone, and then we take a look at it and we go, all right, we can stick a mini in there though, and the minis are wonderful because they allow us to do something that we didn't used to do before. Like I said, within a few weeks you can usually get it if it's a simple front or side tooth.